forge. I'm forging McForgeface. This is the forge. Today we're going to be making Damascus. This will be my first edited video with me actually in it and talking. We'll be looking into a microphone in the future, don't worry. But for now, I just won't talk much. And we're going to be making Damascus today. I have a plethora of old brand new Cancer saw blades. I get my buddy to plasma cut them, which I then turn in to Damascus with these bandsaw blades, and I alternate stack them, forge weld those together, they become one steel, and then I make knives out of them, like that. This one, I didn't do like the handle on it, so I threw paracord over it, but I also do belt buckles. Like and subscribe. Here's one I've been working on. Okay, so the first step is getting your steel nice and clean and shiny and free of everything. All of this slag stuff from the plasma cutter. So I take a little chipping hammer I made on a planer bit, and that's what you're gonna see next. Okay, now that all of these are chipped off, so they're 13 3/8 and a half, and 3/16 is 12. 13 divided by 3 would be 4.3. It's always a smart idea to wear a mask when you're doing metal stuff. We got all the saw blade cut. I need to get all the bandsaw. We have finished cutting both the bandsaw blades and the saw blades. Now we have to clean the blades. I'm gonna go to the grinder and we're gonna grind them shiny.
Nice.
Also, let me know what you think of my new intro and exit video. Our saw blades, our bound saw blades, and we gotta clean the steel off with acetone now. So we're gonna do that now. Wow. The steel one by one, each side. Clean it off thoroughly. Make sure there's no junk, debris.
Nice.
Those are all clean. Saw blade, band saw blade, saw blade, band. There's 27 layers here. Now we get to weld them together with a welder. That welder. With this welder. Okay, these are now clamped together. I'm going to weld them.
Nice.
We have now billet that's welded there, down there, down this back side with a handle on it. Our next step is to take this, which is extremely hot, very hot. Yay! We're gonna start there. we're gonna submerge this in WD-40 as a flux. That'll make it work. Okay, so this is gonna stay in the WD-40 solution all night tonight. Tune tomorrow. Hopefully I have another one up tomorrow and you'll see part 2. Tomorrow we're gonna forge weld and draw out the billet to get ready for knife shape. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. It's crazy, I have 10,000 now, but yeah, thanks everybody. Okay, love you, bye.
Nice.